So we moved the chicks into a bigger container and they're in the garage now so they don't keep us awake at night. They're doing really well. We've lost three. We've lost 3 chicks, so hopefully that's the last. So now we've got 22 chicks. Hopefully a bit more space will do them good. They're still under light, so they'll be under light for another week and a half, and then they can get out onto pasture once they're fully feathered. We let the sheep out yesterday and it's really cold and wet, so she's taken her baby back inside where it's nice and dry. She's just coming out because we've come in to feed the other mum that's still in the stall. So hopefully she'll go into a different shed while we're doing our chores. Why is there an eggshell here? Keep her baby nice and dry and warm. Which one's this one, Lulu or Beavis?
I've got to go get these sheep out of this paddock. They shouldn't be in there with the cows. No! You get out of it. Well, I hope you caught that on camera. Open the gate, they all come running in. Now instead of 2 sheep, there's 6 and 2 lambs. Come on guys, come on. Too friendly for your own good. Come on.
Nah.
Come on. Quick, close the gate, Jaya.
Little farm kids. Closing the gate. Close, close, close.
Push. Quick, Sarah. Take it up.
Whoops. So we've just realised that this is Rosie. So we've just realised that Rosie's in heat. She's been acting really, really funny and I was a bit worried about her. And then I googled her symptoms and they're classic symptoms of her being in heat. So she doesn't want to eat, she's jumping on the fence, she's jumping on the other sow. Her ears are standing upright, her tail is sticking out and she's a bit
quiet.
Wet. Yeah, but she's not acting herself. She's making funny noises too, like a really deep moaning noise. So we're looking into getting a mini pig boar because these guys are minis, and if we mate them with a big pig, she won't be able to birth. the babies. So in 21 days she'll come back on heat, and hopefully by then we'll have a boyfriend for her. Hey Rosie, do you want a boyfriend? You want to have a baby? You want to have a baby? We'll probably have to separate them. There you go. Classic behaviour. And there's that noise. A deep low growl. She's not eating too, which is really unlike Rosie. We've even separated her feed for her, but she's just not interested in eating. Classic behaviour for a sow in heat. These guys aren't super old. Hello Jeanette, are you doing a whiz?
No, she just jumped in the water bucket.
Oh, you're silly.
She's all wet.
Now she's doing a whiz. No, she's so cute. I love little lamb faces. Little lamb faces are the best.
There's rubber rings back in that. Is there anything you get rubber rings from that?
She's gonna headbutt you, Zara.
Okay.
Okay, so we're just ear tagging the new lamb. I've named her Jeanette. Her mum is Jane. You coming in, Zara? You staying there?
No.
And we're going to dock her tail, so she'll be ready to go out on Wednesday. Maybe Thursday. We'll see how we go.
No.
On the left. Hold her.
You're so cute.
Don't let the sheep out, Zara.
No. No.
She came to say hello.
Mama.
She did this after that business time. Thank you, Zara.
You're so cute. She gonna headbutt me. So I'll turn around so you can. Close up. Ladies on the left.
Yeah, this side.
What? Hey Jeanette.
Mama.
Sorry, Papa.
There you go, Jeanette. Hey. Say back to Mama. Alright. Alright, Mama.
The geese meeting the ducks face to face for the first time. Here's where I found another egg. And the guinea fowl being noisy as usual.
Why do we go only this much sugar?
So we've just gone a bit over a kilometre up the road because our sheep are in our neighbour's place again. So much fun. So we've got to somehow try and round them back home. It's that time of year, there's not enough food for them. They're looking over the fences, they think it's better over there, and they're just escaping. We had our neighbours over that are a street over. They came over last night and they said that they had 15 sheep at their place once upon a time. Not when we were at the place, but when the previous owners were there. So I hope that doesn't happen again. So Paul's just gone down to try and round up the sheep. I'll open up this fence in a minute, make sure the cows don't get out, and then hopefully push the sheep out and get them home. These sheep being terrors. Dunno.
Little the horse come and say hello.
I think we'll have to invite everyone around for roast lamb, everyone that live to us.